It's chess against Martin, but I'm not allowed to take a single piece, not even the pawns, and somehow I have to deliver checkmate. Exactly how that's going to happen, I don't know, but I'm going to give it my best shot. So let's play e5, and not because I can take anything. Wow, g4. Okay, Martin. So what should my strategy be? Like, even if I go here and he lets me take it, I can't take it. I can't checkmate him. So I don't really know what to do. Let's just like get some pawns out there. Okay, I can't take it back. So I don't know what that accomplished, but let's play bishop c5, line up here. Okay, I guess we just got to get some pieces out there. Yeah, see, this wouldn't work because I'm not allowed to take the pawn. I have to kind of hope that he pushes it. And so maybe I just need to get some knights out and hope like that I can get him in the center. I don't really... Let's castle. So if I go here and he takes it, I could make use of the e-file. So that's something. Yeah, let's actually do that. And hopefully Martin will take it. He's not going to take it. Okay, let's bring out the knight, I guess. Maybe we'll... Wow, Martin is trying to take my knight. All right, I'm going to hop over here. I don't know why. Yeah, I could go there. Well, let's go here. We'll save that move for later. Okay, he does take it. All right. Now this is getting interesting. Now it's getting interesting because I can go here and start to create some nice double checks. Now it's still not going to be checkmate if he moves the queen. Not yet. Let's get the bishop in place. This is actually oh, d4. So close. It's so close, but it blocks the bishop. So it's not checkmate. And then I can't go here just yet because I don't have the check from the rook. Still need to cover that square somehow. Maybe the bishop could help out. Man, if he takes that though... Hold on, what if I go check? He moves. Then we have a discovered check with the knight. It's just not quite good enough. Well, let's go ahead and start here. We'll see what he does. Maybe he'll come up. No, he goes over. Okay. So the bishop is attacked. I can't take anything. I guess I can play queen here. If he takes this, it's over. Game's over. Well, no, it's not. I could go here, but yeah, I have to actually have two bishops hanging now. But this is more important, I think, right now. So I'm gonna play queen d7. And if Martin sees it, he can have that guy. Okay, he didn't see it. So I can move this and make a check. But why? Why would I do that? It's not really gonna help me. Maybe I go bishop b4 just to position this. He might move the knight. He might. Worth a shot. Okay. Can't take it. But if he ever moves it, my bishop's in a good position. If I go for the check, what's he gonna do? He's probably gonna block. I don't want that. I don't want him to do that. So let's just, I don't know. Let's throw some pawns out there. We'll see what he's gonna do. He's gonna see the en passant? No. Okay. He did move the knight. All right. The only problem is now there's no check here. I would love to be able to take that, but of course I can't. I could push forward. I don't think that really helps me. Maybe if I bring the rook here, it might be worth a shot. No, this is very challenging. All right, I don't know. Let's bring the rook over. I really don't know what to do. Man, he took my knight. He took my knight. I can't take it back. I can't take anything. This is not good. This is not good. Let's go back here. Oh, Martin. But I can't take his pieces. Okay, how do we deliver checkmate? If he moves the knight, he moves this rook away. Or if he moves the knight back there. Ooh, I wonder if I could I bait Martin into moving his knight back there? Let's go here first. Plays a rook there. Okay, let's just throw some pawns out. We'll see what he does. Bishop e3. Man, that's a good move. That is a good move for Martin. Ooh, that just like shuts down everything. What am I gonna do now? I have no idea. Can't take it. I'm just gonna start pushing pawn. Like I don't really know what else to do. Okay, he moves over there. So I want my queen probably to be on that side of the board. I can push this forward. Yeah, actually I'll do that. It kind of like stops him from escaping. What do I do? Let's put the queen here because I think I want it to be on this diagonal eventually, maybe one day. I don't know what's happening here. Okay. Let's go here. No, I don't want to go there. I don't know. I don't know. What can I do? I can't take anything. How do I get through all these pieces without taking anything? Let's go back here and hide. Okay. Here. Let's put him in check. Okay. So he's hiding there. I could go here. And I'm trying to envision some universe where there's a possible checkmate, and I just can't envision it. Let's just bring the queen over here. Why not? Why not? Okay, he goes back there. If I could get my queen there and his bishop was gone, that could do it. That rook's really annoying too, because otherwise I could just come in like this, you know? All right, I think we have to gamble and get this knight out of here. I'm going to need the knight, I believe. So I'm going to take a chance that he doesn't see this. I'm take a chance that he doesn't see this. All right, all right. So let's actually get the knight to safety. And then I'm going to start thinking about how I can use it to potentially assist me over here. So like this could be an idea. Now I wouldn't be able to take anything, but if I can bait these pieces away, yeah, this is a good plan. I think this is a good plan. We're going to go here. We're going to come in like this. Hopefully he doesn't take me. Hopefully he doesn't take me. All right, good. And now I have to get him to move these two. Because if he moves both of those, this is checkmate, friends. This is checkmate. So this is my best chance, but I got to get rid of these pieces. So how do we do that? Let's throw a pawn up here. En passant? No. Okay. Maybe he takes it with the bishop if I'm lucky. It doesn't help me though, does it? What am I even saying? It still covers that square. Now he's got the queen. Ugh. Dude, what are you doing, Martin? I don't even know. I don't even know. I have to hope that he moves some pieces away. Ooh, I just got a really brilliant idea. I could even sacrifice my queen. Oh, look, if he takes it, that's a beautiful checkmate. That's a beautiful checkmate. Okay. Is Martin going to take my queen? I've never wanted Martin to take my queen so much as I do right now. Come on, Martin. And now the queen's defending. Man, killer move there by Martin. All right, I'm going to go back to b4 because now it's no longer checkmate. That just made me really sad. Yeah, he's bringing the queen over. Ah, I guess we have to just keep waiting. Let's go here. Okay, maybe he's going to go back. Let's just be patient. We'll give Martin a chance. No, that's not the move I wanted to see. Now, I could also bring my knight here, but I don't feel like I have as good of a chance as to get checkmate that way. I don't know. I feel like it's really good here. He just has to move these three pieces away. So we're going to just wait it out. We're just going to wait it out. Let's play g6. Maybe he'll be tempted to bring the knight in or something. No. Dude, he's got 4 pieces. 4. If I didn't know any better, I think he was listening in on my conversation here. Look at this dude. It's like the only chance I had. And now he's got 4 pieces covering it. Not cool, Martin. All right, well, you know what? You know what? I'm not going to let it bother me. I'm just going to go here. Because why not? Okay. Queen f2? Fine. Fine, I can go king f7. How do you like that, Martin? Brings the rook up. Okay, if I can get my queen there, that'd be checkmate. Is Martin gonna let me do that? Is he gonna let me get my queen there? I'd have to come like this somehow. I mean, that's a lot of moves. Let's just move here. I want to just see what he's gonna do. What's Martin's plan in this position? Right. Let's go here. Oh, he took a pawn. Okay, he potentially opened up an opportunity for me. So I am going to come back here. I might try to do this. Dude, he's totally listening to what I'm saying. That doesn't do anything. Because I can't take the rook. This doesn't do anything. Because I can't take the rook. So that's nothing. Oh my. Okay, well, I don't really know what my best chance is anymore. Let's just waste a move here. See what he's going to do. I hope he doesn't take that. I really hope he doesn't take my knight. Please don't take my knight, Martin. Please don't take my knight. All right. Thank you. Thank you for that, at least. Let me go back here, just so that this is clear for my queen, in case. Okay. So if we could lure the knight away. If we could lure the knight away and bring the queen in and then go there, we could win. It's a long shot, but we could do it. Let me get my king out of the check. Ah, or maybe he'll just move it away for me. Now, this is super risky. He could take it. Now, last time he didn't take my queen, but sometimes things change. I think it's a risk I have to take. Only because it's like such a good opportunity, right? To finish this challenge. I'm going to go for it. I'm going to go for it. Big risk, big reward, my friends. And that's how you beat Martin without taking a single piece. I know there were some of you guys in the comments that said this was an impossible challenge. Don't give up too easily. That's all I have to say. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for the challenge idea. That was a fun one. As always, stay sharp, play smart, take care.